So, yeah, back again. Still a very, very bad battery, okay? I don't know why, but this battery just sucks. It just sucks. Alright, so while I'm waiting for this to charge up the battery, yeah, I mean, okay, so I know you guys love these truck videos. You'll love them. Alright, so battery charger just went on it. This is going to be the first official start since probably, I don't know, I'd say 4 months. And well, she hasn't seen daylight. Well, she has, but like, you know, I mean, like, she hasn't been running. So first crank in 3 months. Alrighty, inserting key, focus on the camera, and here we go. Come on, truck. Nope. Damn it. Ugh. Alright, we got it. I'll see you guys next time. Alright, attempt number 2. I'm gonna leave the hood open this time, just so if she does happen to run, we could hear her straight from the engine bay. Nice good old Ford keys. Alrighty. Why doesn't she want to turn over? Come on, baby. You're alive. No, what the hell? Damn. Yeah, that cold temperature ain't no joke. Look at that. Oh, man. Alright, let's see if I can keep on doing it. I'm going to go add some more gas here and see if that might be the problem, but let's go see. Alright, attempt number 3. I just gave her some gas. Third time's the charm, you know? Come on. Alright, I don't want to overdo the pumps because last year when we did that, this guy came over and helped us. He did like, I don't know, 10 pumps or something. Sparked a little fire in the carburetor, but I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Nice. She's alive. I want to warm up. I've learned from my past videos, if you guys see, that I just high revs and revving it, and I was like, looking back on it, oh man, dude, I don't want to ruin this engine. I got respect for it now. I mean, this is a good RPM, but, you know, nothing crazy high. I think she's alive. look at her. At least she's getting some, yeah, look at that. Look at those cats. Oh yeah, headphones recommended. Woo, it's good to be back. I think I know what that rattling sound was. It has to do something with the belt. Remember last summer, or not last summer, but earlier, remember it had a weird rattling sound that I was complaining about? I think I need to realign the fan or the belt. Hear that? You guys hear that? She's alive! Woo! I'm not gonna do any revs, but look at her now. Look at her after all these months. Okay, maybe a few revs. I think she's warmed up now. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright, one more, then I'm gonna end it. Hell yeah. America. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time on CK Video. Peace.